G'day, my name's Pete and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. This jade tree is 17 years 5 months old. I did a video on it 5 months ago of me potting it into this pot along with another 10 cuttings from this piece. I had 10 pieces I took off of this piece and then this one. So yeah, I had no roots on it and it's just gone wild in 5 months. So I need to give it a little haircut and define some characteristics of the tree more for myself. You know, there are some branches that need to go all together now and some brought in and etc. So that's what we're going to do. I consider this the face of my tree here. And yeah, that's it. We're going to just start on it. And you can watch the other video. I'll put an attachment, a link to it in the bottom. But for some reason, knowingly me, the volume didn't work for half of this potting of this tree, the first half, and the second half has got volume. But I'll still put it in the attachment for you to look if you want to look. So yeah, I'll just get rid of some of these bits that are definitely not needed. Like so. I'm thinking of keeping this little branch here. We'll shrink this down though. I'm going to cut this branch off and keep this one here because I like the way that bends out this way. Sort of have it as its own little tree, I think, like a twin trunk in a way. But I need to get rid of that piece, so I'm going to do that now. I think that's a little bit too much. This will rot away. Just like to bring it down a little bit. Alright, so I'll leave that as it is there now. Got a bloody spider in there. Right, this one here needs to go. This is also too much. It's growing in between the two trees. I don't think I can turn that into a branch of this particular piece, so we'll get rid of that as well. Alright, is that can probably go. Not sure what I'm going to do here. I think this piece here is too strong, so I might get rid of that. From in there. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that, I think. See what else growth comes out over a bit of time. I'm sort of wanting a bit more growth to come out this way to give this one whole pad of growth with a big concave in between them. I think might look good. So we just let that all go now. This, not sure about this. Or that, but that might be all right. All right, anyway, I think that's it for this tree. We're just going to let time go by and see how it looks over time. I like doing that. Water it over time. Put a sinker here, you know, sinker there. Just let it go. I'm not so sure about this with that. So maybe that has to go. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, we can wire that, give it a bit of shape, and yeah, we'll just see how it looks with a bit of time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.